So most of us think of freezing cold water as a form of torture, like when you're jumping into a frigid pool or having a piece of ice drop down your shirt. But it turns out that daily cold exposure, like with a cold shower, can actually be one of the most psychologically and biologically beneficial thing that you can do to change your life for free without taking any additional time out of your day, but only if you do it the right way. I'm Andrew Cohen with Brainscape, an adaptive study app that's built on decades of cognitive science research on how we improve our performance. Brainscape's mission is to condense all the best strategies on learning, willpower, and habits to help you achieve your learning goals faster. So naturally, when I learned that cold showers aren't just great for your skin and for weight loss and circulation and inflammation, but also that it can help boost your mental resilience and willpower, I became personally obsessed with it, trying to improve myself so that I can share the benefits with our awesome audience. And the biggest thing that I've learned is that it's not just the cold shower itself, it's the mindset that you have to force yourself into in order to survive the cold shower without it feeling like torture. Think about every accomplishment you've ever had in your life, whether it's graduating from high school or college, getting in shape, getting good at a sport, mastering an instrument, getting your ideal job or promotion, scoring good grades, raising kids, whatever accomplishment. Pretty much all of these required tons of sucky moments along the way. But the more pain you had, the more sore muscles, the more brutal late nights of practice, the better the rewards eventually were, and the more you were able to build your self-confidence. Another way to say it is that the more micro-adversities that you can overcome, the more you can accelerate your personal growth. Cold showers are literally micro-adversities on tap. And just like those sucky piano drills you had to repeat 1,000 times, the way to overcome the adversity of a cold shower is to embrace it. You could do this by taking one of two mindsets even before you step into that freezing water. The first strategy is to enter an extreme state of Zen relaxation. Rather than dreading the uncomfortable water, you spend the next 15 seconds before stepping into the shower getting your ego so mentally detached that it's almost like someone else is experiencing the sensation. As Bruce Lee used to say, be the water. The freezing sensation can't faze you because you are the water. And as you let it rush over you, imagine every other challenge of the day washing over you in the same unaffected way. The a-hole who bullies you, the driver who cuts you off, their mom or the wife or the brother who nags you, they can't bother you because you are unperturbable and you meet every challenge with the same calm, smiling disposition. Now, I know that sometimes it could be hard to get so relaxed. Maybe you had too much coffee, maybe you've got too much stress on your mind, and if you're only able to get half relaxed, that water is just gonna be torture still. So the second mental strategy for stepping into that freezing water is instead to just get effing psyched. You can't wait for this pain. You look at that water and you say, bring it. You step in and you say, yes. Is that all you've got? You make that cold shower your biatch.
Not on my watch, biatch.
And
because if you can withstand nature's most fundamental reflex to recoil at the freezing cold, then the rest of the day, that exam, that tough conversation, that guitar solo is going to be nothing because you own the day. Nothing can make you angry or sad or nervous or defensive because you are better and stronger than that. Whichever of these two strategies that you use, you're eventually going to step out of that cold shower feeling like you've already started the day with an achievement, which floods your brain with a reminder of how resilient and disciplined you are, and the rest of your day will feel easy in comparison. I get it that it's hard to make a commitment to permanently changing such a fundamental daily habit. So instead of that big commitment, I want to challenge you to just run an experiment. Take cold showers for 1 week. 5 days in a row, no breaks. When you go to take your normal shower, instead of waiting for the water to get warm like you normally do, just put it on its very coldest setting. Get yourself into one of those two mindsets that I mentioned before and step right in. Power all the way through to the end of the shower. No hot water as a reward because that will defeat the purpose. You're starting your day overcoming that freezing demon and reminding that demon that it is no match for your psychological warfare. My bet is that you'll feel amazing even just after the first time, and then like a boss after the 5th day. At that point, you can decide for yourself if you want to keep it going. Maybe you have changed your daily habits forever. Maybe you hate it and you want to quit. Maybe you decide to only do it on weekdays and saving your weekends for the rewards. Or maybe you just want to compromise and only do cold showers for the last 30 seconds of your regular showers. You won't know how these habits work for you until you've taken the plunge and tried quitting warm showers cold turkey, pun intended. So give it a try for a week. Let me know in the comments how well it went for you, and please remember to check out Brainscape's other tools and advice that will give you everything else you need to rise to your challenge.